Welcome everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrummy Quick Designs, and today's quick tutorial is going to be about a new feature that is rolling out into the desktop beta app, and it's super cool. It is improved image search features, and you're gonna love it. Everybody's been asking for this, so I cannot wait to show it to you. But first, a brief comment about the desktop beta app, because I'm getting a lot of questions about this. All right, eventually Cricut's already told us that they are going to do away with the Cricut Design Space browser version. Okay, so right now everybody's been using it, online on your browser. They have created this app, or what others might call a program, that you download to your laptop or your computer, whether you have a Mac or a PC, and then it lives on your computer. And this is how we're going to be using Design Space in the future. So you want to go ahead and start working with this. Even though they call it a beta, it is a live version that you're able to use, and it works great, and they're continuing to roll out new features in the desktop app. New features will not be added to the browser version. So if you want whatever the latest thing is in Design Space, you're going to need to be using the app. Now, when you're in the browser version, it'll pop up. You're probably seeing this already. It pops up and there's a window that says, hey, do you want to use our new cool app? And most people are telling it no. You want to say yes and go ahead and get it downloaded. And you'll be able to download this on let's say I have a desktop and I have a laptop. You can download it on both of those. Okay, so once you have it downloaded, what that allows you to do is that it's an app on your computer, and you're still using it in an online way. So you're still tied to the internet. You're still using it just as if it was the desktop browser, except that you're using it just locally. All right, and you're still going out to the internet. The beta app version allows you to also go into offline mode, which means that then you can work offline. You don't have to have the internet, but you're going to have to download your images and fonts and so forth to use, and that's coming, and we'll be talking about that soon. But today the update is talking about how they've improved the image search. So let me show you what that looks like. You guys are going to be blown away because it's something we've been asking for. All right, I'm going to switch over and show you in the Design Space browser version, when you do an image search and you type in, let's say, a Christmas ornament. I'm looking for a Christmas ornament. When you do it in the browser version, what do you get? You get some Christmas ornaments, but you also get everything else under the sun that has anything to do with Christmas, right? So as you can see, I'm just kind of scrolling through. So that's how the search feature works right now in the browser version. But let me show you what it looks like in the new beta app. This is just my opening screen. I'm going to come up here. You can see here I'm using the Design Space beta, and I'm on version 2.11 because I have the update. And in my system tray here, I'm using Windows 10, but you see I have this little icon here. That means that I am using the beta app. Okay, so that's how you know it's an app, and I'm not in my browser. You don't see a browser window up here. I can come up here and do File, and I can do New Window, and I can now work in two different screens, just like I can with the browser where you open up a new tab. I can do the same thing. Even locally, I can have two screens open. I'm going to go in and I'm going to show you when you do an image search now. As usual, it comes up and it shows you every single thing. Cricut has this pre-image screen that they show you what are the most popular images right now. And you have the image search up here. So I'm going to also type in exactly what I did in the browser version. But watch this. It says Christmas ornament. That's what we searched for. Guess what? It's actually Christmas ornaments. All Christmas ornaments. Look at this. Anything with Christmas ornaments is now in my image search. So that is the big change that was made for the searches. They're still tweaking a few things and adding a few more things about image searches, so it's just going to keep getting better and better. I really encourage you to get out there, go ahead, download the Cricut Design Space desktop beta app, and start using it right away so you get to have all the latest and greatest features in Design Space. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave a comment. I appreciate you watching this. Please share with others because everybody needs to know about this. And come join us in the Let's Learn Cricut Design Space Facebook group. And I will see you guys over there, and happy crafting!